we have given diagram and we have to find measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. On this diagram we see that we have two parallel lines. Parallel, why? Because we have this red triangle. So these two lines are parallel and they are cut by transversal. We have here pairs of alternate exterior angles. 2 and 145 are alternate exterior angles. Let me remind you, alternate exterior angles are angles which are outside of these two lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. So 2 and 145 are alternate exterior angles, and if I put, for example, here 5 and 4 and 5, 4 and 5 are alternate exterior angles. So we can use here theorem that alternate exterior angles are congruent. When two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the pairs of alternate exterior angles are congruent. So it means that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 145 degrees. So by alternate exterior angles theorem, we have that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 145. Let me remind you one more time. Alternate exterior angles are angles which are outside of these two parallel lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. This is our transversal. The line which cut our two lines is transversal. So we have measure of angle 2. We need to find measure of angle 1 only. We have here vertical angles. Angle 1 and 2 are vertical angles. And we know that the vertical angles are congruent. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2. So we have the measure of angle 1 is equal 145 degrees. This is my solution.